Hello everyone, it's been a little while. As you see in the title, we're going to do a number 8 on the sides only again. The number 8 saga continues. Just when I think I'm never going to do another number 8 video again, I just get these little ideas. So I just cut the top with a 20 yard, I believe it's 2.5 inches. I don't know, it seems a bit longer than that. Maybe I just didn't cut it all. Should have took a little more time. I'm a little sweaty. Oh man, okay, so number 8 on the sides and back. Number 8, wireless clipper, mirror. You might see me finish a lot of this off camera, especially at the back, but here we go. Okay, this is essentially a number 8 on the sides. Excuse me if I have hair all over me. I'm kind of sweating and hair sticking on me. I mean, it's not perfect as far as like the blend between the top and the sides. But let's just look at the sides right here, number 8. Pull the hair a little bit. 1 inch or so. And that is that. I'll be uploading a number 6, a number 4, number 6, 5, and 4 left to go. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.